I'm gonna record our trip here. We don't know what we're doing. Yay! Yeah, where's the microphone? It's over there.
Hey guys, they're walking so quickly. I don't know where we're doing. I'm the beach is right here. I don't know where we're going, but what? Hey,
No.
Hello. Yeah, like
Hi, we're doing Secret Santa now. Yeah, excited.
You can call me whatever you want.
hello, toaster.
What? Huh? I got a camera on. The new problem that you know so many people.
Just unlearn them, unknow them.
Unknown people.
So I'm telling you, I got 300 people.